Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an easy mango pickle without garlic and ginger. You can make this pickle instantly, but I kept the mangoes salted for 2 days just to show you that molds or fungus will not be formed if using natural salt. Also, in case you are in a hurry or don't get time to make pickle immediately, you can slice the mangoes and keep them salted. Homemade pickles, if made in the correct way, is a good source of probiotics and vitamin K. So make pickles at home and get your dose of probiotics, also known as the gut-friendly bacteria, in your meals. Store-bought pickles are loaded with artificial colors, added additives and preservatives, along with synthetic vinegar and refined oil. So they may not go through the process of lacto fermentation like our traditional homemade pickle does. Try to make pickles with seasonal fruits and vegetables. Right now, summer has officially started here in Kerala and we get raw mangoes at this season. They are pretty much everywhere as most homes has at least one mango tree. I'm using the local variety and it is 100% organic raw mangoes. I plucked 3 raw mangoes to make this pickle and washed it thoroughly and then dried it with a cotton kitchen cloth. And once I have sliced the mango, you can see how raw and fresh the mangoes are. I am slicing the mangoes into bite-sized pieces. You can make them even smaller than this. Once the mangoes are sliced, add them into a glass bowl. Sprinkle 3 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt over the mangoes. To make this pickle, I am using pink Himalayan salt, also known as Induppu in Malayalam, which is the purest form of natural salt. It is raw and unprocessed, free of any pollutants and chemical compositions. It contains beneficial minerals and nutrients like potassium, copper, calcium, iron, etc. and is a healthy alternative to table salt, which has high amounts of sodium chloride and is processed. I do try to balance my meals with Himalayan pink salt, kala namak and iodized salt. I buy pink Himalayan salt in block forms from the local Ayurvedic shop. You can check my Moringa dosha video to know more about this. Now lightly toast the bowl so that the salt is nicely coated with the mangoes. And once it is nicely toasted, sprinkle 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt on top of the mango pieces and cover and keep it aside. If you plan to make the pickle right away, you can do so. I personally do make instant mango pickles, but today I wanted to show you that the mangoes will stay good for a couple of days with natural salt. So towards evening, I checked on the mango cubes and saw that the water has started releasing out. And 2 days later, this is how the mango pieces looked, perfectly salted. So now let's make the pickle masala. Into my stone grinder, I am adding in 3 teaspoon mustard seeds and 3/4 teaspoon methi seeds, also known as uluva in Malayalam. I am coarsely grinding this. You can also use your chutney grinder to do this process. But let me tell you, stone ground masalas takes the flavor of this pickle to the next level. Okay, now the mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds are coarsely ground. Heat a heavy bottomed steel pan or a kadai and add in 1/4 cup gingelly oil, also known as nallenna in Malayalam. The reason why pickles need high levels of salt and oil is that they go through a process called lacto fermentation, for which oil and salt are essential. This process is what prevents the growth of bad bacteria, and without it, pickles will spoil easily. So adding good quality filtered oil is a must to make good homemade pickle. Pickles, when made in the correct way without any preservatives, synthetic vinegar, added additives or other things commercially used to make pickles last longer, will go through the process of lacto fermentation. Homemade pickles are a good source of probiotics, also known as the healthy gut-friendly bacteria. Pickles are a good source of vitamin K2, which is necessary for the absorption of vitamin D that is critical for thyroid, insulin and brain development. These days, vitamin D deficiency is on the rise and slight modification in your eating habits is crucial for maximum nutrient absorption. Once the oil is heated, add in 3/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/3 teaspoon methi seeds, and once it starts to splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in the ground masala. Give it all a mix, and once the masala is nicely heated, turn off the heat and add in 4 tablespoons Kashmiri chilli powder. The chilli powder I am using is ground in the local mill. That is, I had washed whole Kashmiri chillis and sun-dried them for about 3 days and gave it to the local mill to powder. Kashmiri chilli powder has less heat and also gives a nice vibrant red color to the dish. So I prefer them more than ordinary chillis. But if you are using ordinary chillis, reduce by half. Add in 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon hing, which is also known as kayam in Malayalam. Quickly give this all a mix. The chilies will get roasted in the residue heat, and once they are lightly roasted and mixed well, allow them to cool down completely. I forgot to add curry leaves in the beginning, so I'm adding in 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves and mixing it well. While the masala is getting cooled down, add in 2 tablespoons coconut vinegar. I made organic coconut vinegar at home some months back, and unfortunately I could not make a video on it. But next time I will definitely try to share the process fermenting coconut palm wine to coconut vinegar. The health benefits of coconut vinegar is equal to apple cider vinegar. So the next best option is 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Make sure you use apple cider vinegar which has the mother. I have already shared 2 videos on the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. The links will be updated in the description box below. Now another thing to be noted is that the vinegar should not be heated so that you can preserve its nutritional benefits. Now once you add the vinegar, with a wooden spoon mix it well and then add in the cooled masala mix. Mix everything well with a wooden spoon. You can check salt at this stage, and if you feel you need more salt, you can add in more pink Himalayan salt at this stage. Transfer the mango pickle to a ceramic jar or a glass jar, and it will keep good at room temperature for months. You don't have to keep them in the fridge. You can keep them in your kitchen counter. I personally prefer to make small quantities of achar with seasonal fruits and vegetables. So guys, do try this traditional homemade mango pickle and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.